There's a quick video on the US Pro Tools mobile toolbox that I got for Christmas. Okay, on the top it comes in that big box there, and this bit of cardboard is on top to protect the top. It was shrink wrapped, so it was. This I think will make a nice little table. I might just cover it in black duct tape and keep it handy, because you could just open up, put your stuff on and use it as a nice table. It's good and sturdy, so take that off. So we have 3 separate sections. Turn it around. There's our stand or handle that lifts up somehow. I haven't figured it out yet. And it's on the wheels, so it's easy to pull. Okay, I'm just going to cast tape across the top. It's about 19 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So lift that up. That stays up in place nice. We have our usual. Pull that out. And we get a measure on this. We have just under 18 and a half by 9 and a quarter inches. Yep, 18 and a half by 9 and a quarter inches, and it's, you can see there, just over 6 and a half, just on 6 and a half deep. So a bit of space. You can take this out and leave it out if you want. The drawers, top one pulls out. We have all the separate compartments, and I think these can come out as well. I haven't really done anything on that. I think they slip out. They do, yeah. So all these can come out. All these separate compartments can come out. There's one deeper drawer with 3 separate sections, which again can be taken out and divided into 2 sections or 1 big section. There's a catch on these locks so they don't open when you're transporting. A little bit fiddly, but like everything, get used to it and it'll be grand. First one is 2 inches, just under 2 inches deep, and just under 8 inches, 2 inches by 8 inches by 14 and 3/4 inches. Okay, and I think this is the same. Yeah, second drawer is the same. Third drawer, again, just 8 inches, but you've got a 4.5 inch, or 4.25 inch. It's about 4.25 inch by 14 and 3/4 inch. So that's nice and deep. And then we have our bin at the bottom, which is just over a foot by nearly 9 inches, 8 3/4 inches by 16 3/4 inches. Again, there's a little catch on there. We have to push down so it won't open. They all have that on it, so it won't open, and they can all be separated. That's the top off. That's the 2 and the 3 sections separate. You can also do that. Keep your spares at home. So that's basically it. We'll get the total height and width on it now. See, it's just 32. 19, just shy 19. 18, 32 by 18. Yeah, that's just about a foot deep. And that's it. The clasps on the side, these clasps feel good and strong. They don't feel flimsy at all. They feel like once they're locked in place, that's it, good and tight. These, not as much of a clasp, but they're not going anywhere. This is the only thing to get used to, the clips on this. Again, once you get used to them, I'm sure it'll be no bother at all, and that's just going to be great, because I think my Miser Dream Bucket and Peaky will be going in there. Okay, so hope you like this review, and as I said, I'm going to keep the top cardboard that came in. I'm going to cover it in black duct tape. It'll be nice and strong. I might put on the inside, I might just put a lat or two of a bit of plastic just to strengthen it up. But it'll work nice as a little tabletop if you want. So that's it. Okay.